Unit 1. Human Reproduction. Section 1. Male Reproduction System. Subsection 3. Spermatogenesis. Hello my great students. This podcast will help you to understand and to recall the spermatogenesis, which is the process of sperm production. Sperm are produced, stored, and delivered by the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system includes the testes, urethra, vas deferens, prostate gland, seminal vesicle, and penis. Spermatogenesis is the process of producing mature sperm. Sperm are haploid cells, meaning they have half the number of chromosomes as other cells of the body, which are diploid cells. Sperm must be haploid in order for normal sexual reproduction to occur. During reproduction, a sperm unites with another cell called an egg. This is called fertilization. Unless both sperm and egg are haploid, the resulting offspring will not have the diploid number of chromosomes. Sperm are produced in the seminiferous tubules of the testes and finish maturing in the epididymis. The entire process takes about 9 to 10 weeks. The production of sperm occurs in several steps, each involving a different type of cell and process. Spermatogenesis begins when a spermatogonium with the diploid number of chromosomes undergoes mitosis to form primary spermatocytes, also with the diploid number. It proceeds as a primary spermatocyte, undergoes the first cell division of meiosis to form secondary spermatocytes with the haploid number of chromosomes. A secondary spermatocyte undergoes the second meiotic cell division to form haploid spermatids. Spermatids mature into sperm, which are also haploid. Spermatogonia, which line the seminiferous tubules in the testes, are diploid cells. They begin the process of spermatogenesis when they divide by mitosis to produce cells called primary spermatocytes, which are also diploid cells. Some spermatogonia divide just to produce copies of themselves. This ensures a constant supply of spermatogonia for future sperm production. Primary spermatocytes go through the first cell division of meiosis to produce secondary spermatocytes. These are haploid cells. Secondary spermatocytes then quickly complete the meiotic division to become spermatids, which are also haploid cells. Spermatids slowly mature into sperm. Among other changes, they lose excess cytoplasm from the head and grow a tail. The tail is a flagellum that lets them move by rotating like a propeller. The acrosome that covers part of the head produces digestive enzymes that helps the head penetrate an egg. The mitochondria in the connecting piece produce energy that the sperm needs to swim through the female reproductive tract to reach an egg. However, sperm do not develop the ability to move until they complete their maturation in the epididymis. It takes sperm 4 to 6 weeks to travel through the epididymis and become fully mature. After they mature, they remain in the epididymis until they leave the body, which is called ejaculation. Before sexual intercourse, the penis fills with blood and becomes erect. With sufficient stimulation, the ejaculatory process begins. The mature sperm travel from the epididymis through the vas deferens. The vas deferens is a narrow, muscular tube about 18 inches long. Its smooth muscle contractions propel the sperm forward. They arrive first at the ampulla, the widest part of the vas deferens, and then pass into the ejaculatory ducts. In the ejaculatory ducts, a liquid secretion from the seminal vesicle mixes with the sperm. Seminal fluid contains fructose sugar, which the sperm use as fuel, as well as alkalines, which help to counteract the naturally acidic environment of the vagina and uterus, providing the sperm a better chance for survival. The liquid mixture is propelled forward through the ejaculatory ducts toward the urethra, passing first through the prostate gland, where milky prostatic fluid is added, forming the substance we call semen. The prostatic fluid helps the sperm swim faster, which is important for getting to the egg cell. Finally, about a teaspoon of semen is ejected out through the far end of the urethra at the end of the penis. From the time the sperm leave the man's body, they have between 12 and 48 hours to find and fertilize the egg cell, assuming an egg cell is available. Of the 300 million sperm ejaculated, only about 200 or so will survive to reach the egg cell. Check for understanding. Please briefly explain spermatogenesis. Write down your own explanation. Thank you.